Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Kawasaki ZX-6R Ninja Monster Edition. This bike has just a little over 11,000 miles on it and is still in excellent condition. It does show signs of a very light tip over on the left-hand side, but it's really minimal. Let's take a walk around. We'll show you the highlights that are on it, what I've seen, and then we'll fire it up for you. Comes with a tinted windscreen. Service will be putting a new front tire on this bike. Has a tank pad on it, an M4 pipe, fender eliminator, and an integrated tail. Service will be putting a new rear tire on this bike as well. And again, tank pad. So on the tip over on this side, it got the bar end, lever, edge of the mirror, and a little bit here on the middle fairing. You can see some light scraping right down in here. So I guess you could probably call it more of a set down than a tip over. So pretty light, like I said. So then I did find one more scratch on it here on the gas tank. There, like a tiny little scratch chip. $11,023 is what's on it. This ZX-6R Monster Edition will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this sport bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.